Welcome to DJ's Preston Sports. We've just acquired this lovely limited edition, black edition Jaguar XF-R Sport 2.2 diesel, best engine ever. It's in fantastic condition, finished in Firenze red. Black pack means anything that was black is now chrome, so it's all black down by the fog light grills, front grille, gloss black alloy wheels. Obviously it's got the full R Sport body styling kit. It's in absolutely terrific condition. Got the rear spoiler, black all around here, detailing all around here. You should find that's chrome. So it's lovely. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got the full black leather interior. It's got Meridian Hi-Fi, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats, sport seats in leather. Just start the car up. Got cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox, satellite navigation, reverse camera, heated seats, 3 stages, Bluetooth connectivity, cup holders, all this is in lovely condition, aux as well, and a USB. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.